Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I hope you guys are all doing well. It is Tea Tuesday and this wonderful open collaboration is hosted by Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. Today I have a mystery box for you guys to unbox, but first wanted to share a few fun announcements of upcoming collaborations that I think you will want to add to your watch list. One of them is hosted by Creating with Jovi, and it is called #Enchanted Fairy Collab, which is fast approaching. This is a month-long channel hop collaboration, and we have 26 creators that are presenting, joining, and sharing their wonderful creative inspiration with all of us. I'm going to be one of them. My presentation or video post will come up on March 19th, which is a day after my birthday. So I'm super excited to do something fun for my birthday month. And I may likely also do a giveaway. It won't be a challenge giveaway. It'll just be a giveaway of some sort. I'm not quite sure yet. So I will let you know as soon as I think about it. But it'll be super fun. And then Jovi also will be hosting another collaboration, and this time it's in April. Now she is the host of the very popular Tassel Tuesday, and so this April we're going to do an April Tassel collab, and again it is month long. It's a wonderful channel hop, and we're going to have different themes of tassels that a lot of the creators are going to be sharing. So again, it's going to be fun-filled months up ahead. Towards the end of April, we have Alice from My Frugal Wonderland. So I had taken some of these beautiful pieces with the bees because it goes with the theme of Alice's first swap that she's hosting in her channel. So if you'd like to join, you may still have time. It is called #Let's Be Friends Swap 2024, and that's why I have these adorable. This ATC here was made by Dana from the Butterfly Charms. I think is her channel, but I'll link it down below. And this book box is the creation and makes of Alex from A Bullet for My Snail Mail. How adorable is this? This was a prize mail that I had received from her, and I think this was a design team project that she had made, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful little kit that she used. It is so adorable. So make sure to check out Alex's channel as well. She is super fun to watch, and I love this paper. So we have that, and then oh wait, let me just show you what the inside is, and I'll try and link the kit here. I'm gonna have to look up which kit she used for this design team project. And if you are thinking of joining Alice's, which is My Frugal Wonderland's first swap for 2024 that she's hosting, this might be a fun kit to use. So those are the collaborations that I will be joining in for the next few months. I'm super excited. My dear crafty friend Dale is also still having her ongoing giveaway for her road to 25K, so make sure to check it out. I'll link her channel down below. And then we have so many other collaborations. Angela from the Traveling Crafter, they still have their Makers Market live sales and craft and chat series on her channel. Carol from Crinkled Path had recently shared another new series that I think you guys will love, and it is, what do you call it? It is Bolo books, and basically it's sharing books that you should be looking out for, especially for book lovers, junk journal lovers that are looking for books to harvest or maybe gain inspiration from. So I'm going to be sharing that as well in my channel really soon. And then the Paper Monkey Tag Your Turn is also a fun open collaboration where you can create a tag and then tag another creator to invite them to make one in their channel. MJ Reyes from My Paper Journey had recently shared her creations, and oh my gosh, she makes some beautiful pieces. So there's so many different collaborations. Crystal from Vividly on Paper is back. I'm so happy to see her back in YouTube and creating again and sharing her beautiful creative inspiration. Mystical Misty 1 has created a second channel. So if you want to check it out, I love it. It is super fun. It has some really cool unboxings of some of these fun boxes that have crystals and other items that are kind of related to that. So if you want to check it out, make sure to check out these ladies' fun channels. Now, I wanted to share a little yogurt snack that I recently found at Safeway. It was on sale and a little pricey, but the flavors were really good. I really love the taste. This one is orange blossom honey. Now, in terms of the content, well, this one claims to have a good amount of protein, which is good. And then sugars still has 17 grams, but I think it's a little bit less. So we'll see. It's like 190 calories if you are counting your calories per serving, but it is so refreshing. And in addition, instead of having plastic cups, they have these reusable kind of like terracotta pot pieces. Not pieces, but cups that they have stored them in. And I love products that have reusable containers that you can use practically. So check this out. At the bottom, it says that it's microwave safe and oven safe, freeze safe. So you can basically, it's food safe. You can reuse it. And I figured I could bake things in here, store things in here, even use it as a fun teacup. And it matches my little sugar bowl here. So far, me and Emmy have been enjoying the flavors with the honey and the lemon flavors. So I have, how many do I have here? I think I have 4. I'm going to just go ahead and show you the 2 that I have here. So I was super happy to discover it. It is a little pricier than your, Dannon or your Play. And what's the other brand? But again, flavor-wise, really good. Love the fact that they have these reusable containers. You can also use it as a pen holder and, for your tools and stuff like that. So I think it's super cute. Oh, wow, it matches my nails. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up our mystery box. And this is from Whimsy Barn Vintage. Now, I have purchased a number of boxes from her, and it's been a while. I've done mystery boxes where you can pick a theme, and there's different sizes. She used to have an extra small, and she's changed it from small, medium, large. And basically, you can say shabby chic, cottage cork, dark academia, and kind of just let her know what colors you like, and she curates it really beautifully. So if you want to see the previous boxes that I had purchased from her, make sure to check out my mystery box playlist, or I think I have my Etsy purchase or Etsy haul playlist here on my channel. Let's open this one up. This is a vintage teacup mystery box. It came to about, I think it was $9.99, but with the shipping, $20 altogether. So let's see if it was worth it. I'm going to be opening this side up and then let's see what's inside. Also wanted to mention that I also purchased some of her Boyd Bear, if you like vintage teddy bears. That was a really fun box. So here it is, guys. Here's a little thank you card. There is her social. She's really fun to watch. Sandy does her little reels on Instagram, and I love watching them. And then here it tells you that all about her mystery boxes. Again, super fun. The box is pretty light, so I'm curious to see what is in here. But she is so good about wrapping everything so beautifully to ensure that everything is safe. So take a look at how personalized that is. It says to Clarissa from Whimsy Barn. Oh my gosh, I think this is the cup. So let's take everything out first. And then we are going to see what she has included here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and open up this piece, I am guessing that this is the plate. So let's see. And then let me see. I think I went with, I like shabby chic, blue, and pinks, okay? So that's what I had requested. And let's see what she picked. Almost there. Wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that. I love the scallop edges on this plate and the roses. Beautiful detail there with the gold foiling. And let's see if we can tell where it's from. It doesn't, I can't really read it clearly, but maybe you can by looking at that. But that is gorgeous. Let's see what the cup looks like. Oh my gosh. Here it is. And love the fact that, see how safely packed it is. There's no cracks or chips on that. Oh my gosh. Here it is, guys. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is a pretty cup. And I don't know if they are matching. It looks like this is from a different collection. This is a Gibson. Love the fact that this is dishwasher and microwave safe. So that is amazing. Look at that handle. Really cute. You can see that she's kind of mix matched this, but this is really beautiful. I love the floral look to that. And then she's also added a little extra. And oh my gosh, how cute. Check this out. How pretty is this little fan-shaped little lace piece? That is so pretty. I've never seen anything like this. So that is adorable. I love it. What do you think, guys? Do you think this was worth $9.99? Plus the shipping up to about $20. I will say I do love it. It is cute. And I love mystery boxes. And I love getting surprises. So I think it's fun. Although I do like also doing the hunt and thrifting and finding things for an amazing price. But again, Sandy did a wonderful job curating this cute piece here. And I love the pinks. That's really pretty. And then here's our beautiful plate. How gorgeous is that? And I love the cute little extra that she added there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Happy Tea Tuesday. I'll see you next time. Bye.